Hey everyone. Oh, look at that shaking. All right. Yes, I'm new to this. Hope everyone's doing great today. I decided to do a video on how I do a flood coat. And this is the piece that I worked on the other day. And as you can see, the paint did actually spread out a little bit more, so I don't have as much negative space as I thought I would. All right, but that's okay. It's going to be pretty. So, once again, I'm using KS Resin Ultra Art Coat, and I've mixed it up 1:1 and mixed it for 3 minutes. And while I'm mixing, I scrape my stick, sides, back and front, make sure between every minute, and I always count. That's just the thing that I do. Now, something that I do to my pieces is that you'll see me post my signature glitter. Whenever I do a top coat, a flood coat, and that's what this is, a flood coat, I always will add a tiny bit of glitter, and I got this like over a year ago, and it's this ultra sparkle glitter, and I got it off Amazon, and it comes with a lot. I mean, this bag was full. So what I'll do is, and if you can see this here, you see, I don't know if you can see this. I mean, it's barely on there. Okay, guys, it's not focusing. But anyway, it's just a very little bit. It's flat on the stick. There's really hardly any glitter at all on there. You think, oh, it's not enough. But it is. Okay. Just a tiny, tiny little sprinkling of glitter. I mix that in. And I'm trying to decide if I'm going to add some of this diamond dust in it. And again, it's backwards. One of my friends pointed out that my lettering is backwards, that it's mirroring, and I don't know how to fix that yet. So this is diamond dust. It's really pretty. Here, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just like really sparkly. It's glass glitter. You kind of have to really be careful with it. And if you are using this, you can't put anything over it. If you do another coat over it, you're going to lose all of this sparkle. So this must be on a top coat. And I thought maybe I'd do a little something here to make it extra. All right. Now I'm going to pause you. I'm going to bend this down. Okay. Hopefully this one won't be that long. It's already 3 minutes, so, okay. All right, so that's better. Okay. One of these days I'll get this down and I'll have video editing software. Okay, so this is all mixed up. I'm going to pour this all out. Boom. This is a 12-inch round, so it required 5 ounces of resin. And now I will take my torch to it. Remember, hold the torch away. Blow those dust bunnies off. And I'm going to torch and to heat it up. Uh-oh. Okay. Sounds like I'm running out of juice. Now I'm going to take my hands. Oh, my favorite part. I'm going to spread it out over the surface. Flood coat helps with, if you have any imperfections, you can sand it out. And I use 220 and then a 400. And I do it very lightly. So like if in my original resin coat, if there's any kind of imperfections, dust, any little bit of hairs, trash, that might have cured in the resin, even though I was really careful, I'll go ahead and sand it just a tiny bit. This doesn't really take very much, so that I can get that imperfection out. And when you put the flood coat on it, you will not see that little ding or whatever. Okay. Quick and simple. right. Got to wipe the hands off. Okay, now I'll take my gun. Seriously, I should have checked this. I'm running out of juice here. All right, let me pause you so that I can get this loaded. Let's see if I do this right. Okay, I think I got it back. All right, I just reloaded my torch. Just got more gas. All right. Usually I find that, especially when I'm doing a flood coat, I will come back and babysit it for a little bit and torch it again, probably 3 times, 4 times, and just check it out. Now, the glass glitter. All right, gotta take this off. Because we are all good that way. Don't need my gloves. All right, when using this, do you see how pretty it is? Let's see. Bam, I can't do that. All right. So I'm going to pick out a place and maybe go through here like this. With this glass glitter, you don't want to like smush it between your fingers like you do other glitters. You just kind of lay it down, and I'm going to start here. And this is going to add like that little bit of extra. It's so pretty. Be careful when you're doing it that you don't get it in places that you don't want it.